Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I got sick with COVID several weeks ago, and I was down for about 3 weeks. I'm still not feeling the best. My lungs are still having problems, so I've not been back here. My husband was doing the feeding and the watering, but he doesn't do the cleaning. So this room has gotten pretty bad, and I'm going to show you what it looks like after. Well, this is it's been vacuumed, so the floors aren't too bad except for like poop on the carpet. But he doesn't clean the cages because I think it's easy, but I've been doing it for a long time. And he can't clean Sammy's cage because she will eat him. She will eat him. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what the room looks like after a month of no cage cleaning. I know it's gross. I was really sick. I couldn't be back here.
Hi, baby. What are you doing?
He just wants me for my eye boogers. And I wiped him out this morning, so I don't understand. So yeah, let's get to it. I'll show you the room. So this is Sammy's cage. You can see poop on the sides. The bottom is pretty littered in the spot where she normally sits, which is up here. I already started to clean Tilly and Wasabi's cage, so I really can't show you that because I already pulled their mess out, but I can show you around the edges. There's just filth everywhere, and especially on the wall in the back. But the bottom of the cage is pretty messy. The other day I did come back here for a minute. You can see the wall all the way to the floor. It's pretty gross. The top of the cage inside of Wasabi's, and on the outside the floor is really gross with poop and bird food, but that'll be cleaned up in just a minute. Stop it. Here's Tilly's. So this is what a month looks like in a bird room. Here's their excuse me, here's their perch. And there's just literal poop everywhere. I gotta take all the toys out. I'm gonna soak them in vinegar and really hot water and get everything cleaned out. I got the vacuum back here. I'm probably gonna bring the carpet cleaner back here and really scrub. I still don't feel good. My lower back is killing me. I've been having pains in my sides. Yeah? You don't know. You ain't been with me, sir. He's shaking his head at me. He's agreeing with me. Like I said, lungs are still bothering me. My ears are still bothering me. My throat is still hurting. So I'm gonna get started on this room, and I don't think I'm gonna record it because this is gonna be a lot, and my phone would probably die. I think he missed me. But I'll see you guys when I'm done. have to kind of cockeye myself and then get my waist in order to fit in, to be able to scrub out all the sides and the corners and it's not, I'm not perfectly cleaning everything today. I'm scrubbing it the best that I can. Anyway, I'm scrubbing it the best that I can. Sabi, you really got an attitude problem today, sir. A big one. He bit my face again the other day, and he's not done that in such a long time. He was mad at me because I come in just for a few minutes to see how they were all doing, and he got on my shoulder, and I brought them in food and was trying to get him to go eat, so he bit my face. I'm sorry if you can't hear any of this. It's weird that he gets quiet when I point the camera at him, like he doesn't want you guys to know that he's the one doing it. Ridiculous. But yeah, I'm not scrubbing the cages down 100%. I don't have the energy. I keep coughing in here. This room is bothering me. My lungs are still not back to normal, and it sucks. But I've got a crap ton to do, so I recorded just a little bit. I don't know if I'll add it in here or not, because I did it with a little in-room camera that I've got, and the picture's not very good. So I'm gonna get back to it. And yeah, Tilly's favorite snack. I'm starting to sweat because I'm having to scrub so hard. So I don't understand. I don't understand. I am not feeling good. I am on the verge of giving up for the day. I've got a good amount done, but Tilly, and you can't see him because he wants to be low, just learned a new word. What did you learn, huh? Hi, good job. Good boy. Good job. Good job. You did a good job. Good job. He learned to say good job. Peekaboo. He learned to say good job. First time, I don't know that I've ever said good job to him. I've been saying it a lot because I was keeping my sister's kids, and I would tell them good job when they did something. I've probably said it to him before, I don't know, but he just said it. I'm super excited about it. I'm starting to shake. I don't feel good, and I'm ready to go lay down. Yeah. Good job. Good job. You want to play peekaboo? Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Good job. You want to give me a kiss? Give me a kiss. 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 You want to give me a kiss? Good job. Oh, don't hate me. That's not very nice. What's wrong with you? Huh? Good job. Good job. Who did a good job? Good boy. What you doing? What you doing? What doing? Good job. Good job. You did a good job. Good job. You're not going to do it because you know the camera's on, don't you? Good job. Alright guys, that's it. I'll show you the room. It is not 100%. I got most of the floor. I'm not going to bring the thing back here today. I just don't have the energy. I don't feel well. I need to go lay down, Thought I was gonna black out a few times. They're still a little, well, they pooped a couple times while they were still out while I was cleaning, but everybody's clean. Floor is mostly clean. Not as bad as it was. Like I said, carpet cleaner back here and do the floors. I feel like I'm gonna throw up, so I am done today. I will scrub more, possibly tomorrow, the day after. I really need to go lay down and drink some water and see if I can stomach some crackers, because this was a lot and I'm pretty shaky right now. Wasabi has already taken a bath and they're all mad because they're all put up in their cages right now because nobody's been in a cage except for Sammy for a whole month. Everybody's been out. They've all been great. The boys are in a good little flock. They don't fight, so that's been great. No no wounds or anything crazy like that. Sorry. And Sammy has to stay covered with the sheet because if she sees them, she starts calling to them, and then the boys get mad, and then they start trying to fight her through the cage. So everybody's put away right now. They're only in there. They'll be able to probably get back out tomorrow. Right now they just need to kind of chill out for a little while. They were out for quite a long time, so I don't think it'll hurt them to be up for one day. I got to get back into a routine. Tilly is still one of the hardest to get to go up because he knows what's happening when he goes up. He just kind of fights, but he doesn't bite hard, thankfully. And Wasabi put himself away for a sprig of millet, and so did Ash. So it was pretty easy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I hope you guys have a good day.